Hi, I am Jackson Bryant, a member of the Superintendent Student Voices and Student Body Vice President at Cumberland International Early College High School, and I am honored to introduce you to the class of 2023.
One thing I've really enjoyed in Cumberland County Schools is that I really had a lot of choice. So having these choice school options was really important for me, and that's something that's pretty unique to Cumberland County. Cumberland County Schools does it widely and very well, and I really appreciated that.
Cumberland County really thrives in just furthering students' education as well as preparing them for the real life.
Not everyone has to go to a private school to get a better education. Good education can come inside of schools like this from taking honor classes or AP classes.
Members of the class of 2023 have worked extremely hard to get to this major milestone. They didn't get here by themselves. There have been numerous CCS staff who have helped them become the life-ready individuals they are today. Our caring premier professionals have helped prepare students in Cumberland County schools to be ready for college, a career, and beyond.
Miss Anderson has been my best friend and the person that I've always leaned on for support. She has constantly been there for me and always been someone that I can talk through ideas with.
A teacher that I've constantly been able to rely on is Miss Allen. She's really pushed me with literature and with writing, which are things I'm really interested in anyways. That makes me really confident for in the future being able to ask for that help if I need it and being able to succeed in classes where I may not have before.
My second grade teacher was Miss Hayden. That's when my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer, so she really helped me take my mind off of thinking about my mom in that process of her passing away. She used to help me through my work. She used to let me customize her wallpapers on her computers and then help her grade assignments for other kids.
Did you know that many of this year's graduating seniors have been accepted to some of the most prestigious universities and colleges in the U.S.?
After I leave Cumberland County Schools, I will be going to Columbia University. I plan to focus on medical ethics and policy relating to it.
Yep, I'm also going to NC State. We're going to be roommates actually. I'm studying political science. After I did a lot of mock trial here, I kind of changed my mind and set new plans here. So yeah, I'm excited for political science.
I plan on going to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill to study business management and to hopefully end up in a career in sports management.
We have seen the diversity of paths that the members of the class of 2023 are embarking upon, but their journeys are far from over. This year's graduates have received the tools they need to soar, and we are confident that they will continue to achieve great things in the years ahead. We have no doubt that they will continue to make us proud and be ready to confidently take on what life has to offer them. Congratulations, class of 2023.